putting out a video on replacing the serpentine belt on a Pontiac Torrent. This one's an 06. This is for the 3.4 liter 3400. It also goes for Grand Ams, I believe, or Grand Prix, whatever carry the 3400. If you're looking at this, I had to take apart everything. I had to take off all the intake, the air intake, the filter housing, and motor mount. In order to do that, you have to jack up the motor from underneath. Motor mounts 18s and 15s. Air intake housing has a 10 mil on it. Has a little clip you have to remove off this wire. But yeah, just giving you a reference to what it takes to do this serpentine belt. It's not bad if you've done this before, but I have to take off the engine mount, and I had to jack up the engine with a jack from underneath. I put a board on top of my jack so that it would go across the bottom of the oil pan really good and give it good support. Picked a strong spot on the engine, either right at the front or right at the back, mostly right at the front. And then it'll give you good support, and then you just start jacking until the engine starts moving, and then you could remove the engine mount. Just show you what that looks like. It's that piece right there. There's two 18s and three 15s. I had to remove this. I removed this anyway. Removed all the intake housing. That's pretty straightforward. It's just these clips right here that come off to get to the air filter housing. You have to disconnect the clip wiring harness there. There's that little clip I was talking about for the wire. There's a 10 mil on the housing, and it'll just pop out. Remove this off the intake throttle body. Disconnected that off the throttle body intake or hose that goes here. Yeah, but that's what I did to change the serpentine belt. And once you get to it, tensioner's over there. I believe it's up to get it to tighten, to get it to loosen, to put the belt back on. Yeah, serpentine belt on a 2006 Pontiac Torrent 3400 or 3.4 liter V6. Also goes for Pontiac Grand Ams, Grand Prix, whatever carries a 3400 or 3.4 that's similar to this. Be safe, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.